it's John Neal here. It's the 10th of August 2023. I'm going for a bike ride. That's it. Just what I'm doing.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
You see, you have to make hay while the sun shines. The sun's shining, so I'm going for a bike ride. I don't have a big plan, it's just take it as it comes really, and we'll see what we see. As you can see, I'm turning right here. With all the quarries around, we do have some big lorries. Here they come. I've done quite a few sign writing jobs here, and I've done for Aggie on the right at the fish and chip shop. Morning, Aggie. Just behind me you can see the treetops of Hartshill Hayes, and I'll be heading up there and then onward and down towards Manchester, Atherstone, make my way back home. Got the drone, by the way. Here's the proof, if proof is needed, that we're on the hill, Harts Hill, looking out north towards Leicestershire. Love this place. Well, I've passed the entrance to Hartshill Hayes, and yeah, this is what's going to happen, you see. I'm going to go along here and cut through the deserted golf course. Deserted golf course. Oh yes. And I think I can get the drone flying up there. Well, it's nearly the end of this track that goes across around the golf course, the old golf course, deserted golf course. But yeah, I have to say, there's some lovely corn here, look, maize. I think it's mostly for animal feed, but also here's some human feed, because look, some lovely blackberries. Let's have a look. Not bad. There's loads of them. Look. I mean, I know I've got some at home, but why not? I haven't brought anything to eat, so I've got a drink. So I have a handful of blackberries. Thank you very much. That one's a bit hard. Sometimes the wild ones can be a bit small, tasteless, but these are okay. That fella. That's ripe too. Anyway, moving on. I spent quite a bit of time playing about with the drone there, so I better just press on and get down to the bottom here, and then I've got a big loop through the countryside, through near Upton and what have you, to get home. So it might be power level 5 on the bike before too long. We'll see. Well, I'm just out to the other side of Witherley, basically making my way home, but it's a bit awkward really, because to get from Manchester, Atherstone back to Higham Lane, I've either got to go along the A5, one part of which is 50 miles an hour. It's straight line, to be honest, but it's not too bad, but it's just noisy and it's not the best thing to cycle along at all. I've got to get over here, but the A5, this green line, is very busy, 50 miles an hour, lots of big lorries. So through Witherley, over this way towards Atherton, a little bit of this Burton Road main road, and then another very quiet road up towards Upton, along here, another nice quiet road, all the way up to Hyme on the Hill and down Hyme Lane. And there's a bit of a cycle track the rest of the way, but if I go this way, which is through the country lanes, it adds on about 2.5 miles, I think, and you go off towards Upton, which is far more pleasant, so that's what I'm doing. On the E27 E-Star bike is doing well. It was fully charged this morning. I'll have gone about 20 miles in all, and I've been on battery level 3 for the most part, because that's pretty efficient and that's fine enough power for me for what I want to do. However, now I'm on the way back, the battery level still says 5 bars, and so I'm going to put it on full power and make my way back quite quickly. Currently doing 18 miles an hour with absolutely no effort, so that'll get me home a little quicker, because I did spend some time with the drone just now. Just saw a buzzard as well. Always nice to see a buzzard. And with it being late summer, the farmers are beginning to get the crops in. Surely you can't have too much of a good thing, can you? No. So thanks for watching, and you'll see me next time. Okay, bye bye.